What if I told you the secret to insanely tender BBQ ribs is something you already have in your fridge? Today, we're making fall-off-the-bone ribs using Coca-Cola. Simple ingredients: pork ribs, spices, garlic, barbecue sauce, and the unexpected star of the recipe, Coca-Cola. Start by seasoning the ribs generously. Salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a touch of brown sugar. Massage the spices in. This is where flavor begins. Now comes the secret: Coca-Cola. Cover the ribs tightly and cook them low and slow. As the cola simmers, it breaks down the meat, infusing it with sweetness and depth. This is how you get ribs that literally fall apart. Take the cooking liquid and reduce it. Add barbecue sauce, a little garlic, and let it thicken into a rich, glossy glaze. Brush the ribs generously. Back into the oven or onto the grill. Watch the sauce caramelize, sticky, shiny. Perfect. Listen to that. No knife needed. Juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. If you love bold flavors and simple secrets, subscribe for more unexpected cooking ideas. Sometimes the best ingredient is already in your fridge.